Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change notification settings in a Talabat app. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Talabat app and then come here at the bottom right, click on account, and then I want you to come here at the top right and click on this gear cog. This will take you to your settings, and then from here you'll see notifications. I want you to tap on notifications and then tap here on settings. Now what I need you to do, because this will take you to your settings section for Talabat, you come here, you click on notifications, and what you can do is you can go ahead and turn it off completely if you want, okay? Or you can go ahead and turn off, for example, push notifications or lock screen notifications if you want sound to be turned off, vibration to be turned off. You can also come here to notification style and you'll see all the specific notifications that you can go ahead and turn off or leave on, as you can see right here. But that is how to change notification settings in Talabat app.